It's a bright sunny day, and straight truck driver John Doe is on a two-lane highway traveling at the posted speed of 55 miles per hour. Off in the distance, he sees a car in the opposite lane cross in front of his path and park in a driveway. A person gets into the car's passenger seat, and the car quickly backs into Doe's path. Doe hits the brakes at the last second, but he doesn't have enough time to come to a full stop, and he hits the back end of the car. Fortunately, no one is seriously injured. Was this accident preventable or not? The National Safety Council ruled it was preventable. Doe should have anticipated that the car might not see his truck and could back up in his path, and should have braked and sounded his air horn as a warning when he first saw the car.